What should I do with my friend, man?
Yeah, so the handicap people, that's an idiot. So
Selector.
You want a dash, man.
You know, see me head police are looking for Baba.
Look at the lad and go through it. But him call it Mohawk.
Boy.
No sound, friend. I forgot you the one, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Where you coming for? Wagwan?
You need to do this for yourself.
See what?
What's a way everybody just a steer?
That's a one.
What's a way I'm a taxi? Can't keep your eyes apart.
My girl, me say I take my man.
Me is a girl when I fight over man.
Must text him phone. Hey babe, what's up? Go up on Facebook, yeah, poke him. On Twitter, why you DM him?
Man, I got time for the foolishness.
My girl, so may I talk to you?
In a town full of fakes, I'm not afraid to be me. Hate is gonna hate, but I just love. Standing out is better than fitting in.
Never take my kindness for weakness. I may not be smart, but I'm pretty. Happiness means never having to apologize for being me.
Look out for me. Look out for me thumping in your face.
Madam, why you stop text my man?
I'm not take some man. Look out for me, no which man you are talking about.
So much man you have for no know which man me talk about.
But
Today me talk
you
about.
bright see.
Johnny, yeah, no girl named Aaliyah Rodney.
Yeah, she's same one. She love take people, man.
What you? Me not take
Of
people
course,
man.
you can take man little.
But me not take you bright see.
My girl, leg off from me. My girl, leg off from
Me
me.
don't let go for you, where you got to me.
Shut him get beat up.
So what you tell me that for?
You didn't see me talk to you. One girl that accused me of me a thief and man. So why you laugh?
Because it's so funny.
It's not funny.
Then why me a laugh?
I just hate you. Some Jamaican police are bound to war. Duck! Idiot boy.
Jamaican girl, we better than a next girl.
Then you can meet me down the road, please. Emergency, I need to talk to you. Yeah, no. Alright.
What's on?
Who this? Leighton? Oh, I need to ask you a question. Who is this Aaliyah Rodney?
It's my little friend.
Friend from where?
We're from school.
From which school, Leighton?
Excelsior.
Which Excelsior? She got camp down. Which shadow Excelsior?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Remember. I saw at the park one day and started talking. She lived down the road from me.
Fix up a story. First year, she got Excelsior and I camp down. She come from there.
I mix her up with this girl I know.
I hear you.
Yeah. So nothing to be worried about. You get it? You want help? Right? Aaliyah, you alright? You alright? Alright?
I'm not leaving that taxi, you know. Come now, your girl come beat me again.
Again? What do you mean again?
She did beat me right down there, so. The girl that beat me over you. You see how she tough?
My girl, where come my name from?
What's your me?
Yeah, come my ear, my name was Emma.
Me?
Yeah, and she see him and take him and beat the girl. She too rude.
But you bright, you see me and tell nobody, man.
Come. I'm not talking.
My girl, go
Beat
sit
the girl
down.
and down.
Go sit down.
Beat the girl
Go
and
sit
down.
down. I rebuke in the name of Jesus.
I'm going over this.
But Sean, just calm down, alright?
Let's do it. Calm down.
Shut the hell, them have to try to beat me.
My girl. I don't want it from my
Stop
mom. I don't want it from my mom. I don't want it
Beat
from
the
my
girl,
mom.
but
I don't want it from my mom.
right.
You shut up.
Beat the girl.
I don't want it from my
outsider.
But me don't want you, man.
When I get running already.
Shut it, help me now. Shut it now. Help me. Shut it now, help me.
What's the problem? What are this for?
You need to talk to your friend.
Oh, you reaching at this? What's your problem?
Beat the girl, shut it, beat the girl.
So you can't fight for yourself.
Me can't fight for myself, I just need help because I twirl.
Alright, only just leg off fire now. Leg off fire.
What you for? What you gonna do? Come beat me too? What you gonna do? I'm my man.
Never. Hey, mix up again. All them can do, all them can say.
Hey! Thanks for having my back. You see them run, girl?